Okay, I'm going to go over solving trig equations within a given range for sine. So we're going to look first at solving sine theta equals root 3 over 2 for theta between 0 and 360. So similar to the cosine one I did. Drawing the sine curve, so sine starts at 0 and then to 1, 0, minus 1, 0, minus 1, 0. So if you mark off every 90 degrees and then join up with a smooth curve, that's kind of the easiest way to draw these. And then we're looking at solving sine theta is equal to root 3 over 2. The principal values for sine are different to what they are for cos. So your principal values for sine are here between minus 90 and 90 degrees. So that's the value, sorry I missed the origin there. That's the value your calculator will give you when you do shift sine of your number between minus 1 and 1. So principal values minus 90 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 90, and then you get the whole range of values from minus 1 all the way up to 1. So for this one, if you do shift sine root 3 over 2, so root 3 over 2 is up here somewhere, across to the curve and down, your calculator will give you the value of 60 degrees, which is the principal value. So that's the principal value. And then you look on the graph and see if there's any other values between 0 and 360. So if I take this line across here, there's another place here where sine theta is equal to root 3 over 2. Use the symmetry in the curve like we did for cos, so we're going forwards from 0, back from 180, sine symmetrical about 90. So make sure you go forwards and back to find your other value. So then there's another one there at 120 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 or 120 degrees. So two solutions in 360 degrees for sine theta equals root 3 over 2. I want to do one with the negative principal value as well. I think I'll use this same graph, that'll be okay. So if I also look at doing sine theta equals minus a half for 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 360 degrees. So minus a half, just about what colour to use. Let's just do black on that one. So minus a half is here. That's my minus a half. And if I go across to the curve and up, that is the principal value that the calculator gives you, and that comes out as minus 30 degrees. So sine theta equals minus a half, theta is minus 30 degrees. So that is your principal value. You could just do PV for principal value. It's not between 0 and 360, so that is not a solution to this equation. And we can go to the graph to find out where the other solutions are. So I'm doing the same process, I'm coming across and there's one there, and there's another one there. So I've gone back 30, and so I need to go forwards 30. So this value here is 210 degrees, and then I've gone forwards 30, back 30, and this value here is 330 degrees. And so theta is going to equal 210 or 330 degrees. The other thing to note is minus 30 plus 360 is 330, because it's repeating every 360 degrees. And also, unless you're at ones, minus ones or zeros, you will always have two solutions to these equations in 360 degrees.